Hi everyone, it is Sunday. Thank you for joining me for yet another Cricut Explore 1 search, basically, and reacquainting. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm always open to any kind of questions or sharing any information you may have. If you, of course, own a Cricut Explore 1 or any Cricut, I am definitely open to any comments that you may have, because that's how we learn from each other. So today I'm going to just share with you one of the things that I did discover, which had me very intrigued. So I'm going to open up the Cricut design space. And what I like is if there are any updates, it will definitely get that updated for you. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay. Now, this is basically the landing page, and like I mentioned in my last video, there's just, this is, more like for shopping. This top one here, this is where your projects will be, and these are the different categories you can take a look at depending on what your needs are. If you have your Cricut for the first time, of course you would need to just become familiar with everything that is before you. Okay, so one of the things that I would like to share with you is what I found that was very intriguing to me, and I was happy about that. So to the left of the screen, I'm going to open up the canvas. Now, to do a new project, you usually have to either do an image or you use your own projects. But I'm going to open up the image section here because I want to show you a couple things. On this page here, this is where you have all the different categories that you can take a look at, from cards to phrases and sentiments, spirituality and religion, nature, home, hobbies, and the list is pretty decent. On the highlighted side to the left, excuse me, we have featured, recently added, free for this week. Now, free for this week basically shows you all of these images that you can have for the week. Okay, you can have access and use any one of these images if you wish, and add it to your canvas. All you simply do is like just highlight, and then you go down. Let me see if I can get you down to this corner here. It's kind of hard because I'm trying to manipulate this, but this is one of the images you will add. Sorry about that. However, outside of that, one of the things that I do enjoy, and I'm going to go back to new, was when I went to imaging, one of the things I wanted was to be able to have access to images. Okay, now having access to imaging is good, and I'm happy about that. The only thing was I didn't want to have to pay a subscription every month to get images. I wanted to have the freedom to choose images without having to pay money, and I may not even be using half of those images. So when I looked, I saw image sets. So I pulled up this one, and then I was able to see those different sets. Now, what I like about that is it gives you a price, okay, for the imaging. So if you look here to the right of the screen, you will see $12.99. Hopefully you can see that. And then you get 24 images for $24.99. So once you pay that, that's basically you own those. So I'm going to double click on that so you could see. So these are the images you will actually be purchasing, and utilizing, which will basically be yours. Now, when you go back here, with me, I am more, interested in tropical stuff. So here is the tropical silhouettes. It has 34 images and it's for $17.99. So when I click on it, basically I get these images. Okay, I can use those on my cards, I can use those on t-shirts, but they would be images I would own without having to do the monthly subscription. So this is basically what I wanted to share with you. So don't feel that you have to do the monthly subscription if you're not one who's going to be utilizing much of them for much of anything. But take a look in this area here, and then you might be able to find things that you would prefer to purchase. I mean, it's a very long list of different things. I mean, even here it has Blossom with Grace 8 images for $9.99, and it just, here's some let me see, homeschool phrases. There is music player icons. There is a bachelorette party. So, you can get all of those different headings and just pretty much scroll down and see what applies to you. So again, how you access this area here is by, let's go back to new, go to your canvas. So we can go back here. I went to the left of my home page. I went to canvas, and then I went to images, and then I chose image sets. So that's where you will find those sets. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that was helpful to you, especially if you're a beginner like myself. I just wanted to share with you what I found and how to find it. So have a wonderful week, and once again, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.